To use magnification on a Samsung A36 5G, you will have to start by opening settings, and next you will have to scroll down for accessibility. Then you will have to go into vision enhancements, tap on it once, then you will have to scroll down and just go into magnification. Tap on it once, and right now select the magnification shortcut. So you will set up the method to open the magnification. So here I can find all of this options. In my case, I would like to select triple tap screen. Then click OK. And now let's find out if it works. 1, 2, 3. There we go. As you can see now, by using this gesture, I can pinch in and out to zoom in or zoom out. And I can simply also move this up and down with my two fingers, just like this. But also you can click here and you can easily navigate by using this single button. Now, if you want to zoom out, just triple tap and it will be finished. Thanks for watching.